This 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 221RB is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Indianapolis, Indiana 46203 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Indianapolis. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Grand Design is 26 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, Slideout, and 56 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.